Nnamdi Kanu confronts judge as court adjourns terrorism case indefinitely. Binta Yako, judge of a federal high court in Abuja, has adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), indefinitely. Yako adjourned the suit on Monday following Kanu's insistence that the judge cannot preside over his case since she had recused herself. Despite Kanu's insistence that Justice Yako has no jurisdiction over his case, the judge adjourned the matter indefinitely. Kanu was brought into Nigeria in June 2021 and has since been detained and tried for alleged terrorism. His trial was stalled after Justice Yako rescued herself from the case following an oral application by a defendant on September 24, 2024. The IPOP leader had directly told the judge that he no longer had confidence in her handling of his trial. However, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, John Sosho, reverted the fight to Yako on the ground that Kanu's application must be brought formally before the court through a motion on notice. Consequently, in a letter dated December 5, 2024, addressed to Deputy Chief Registrar Igbo'S Awomolo, the prosecution counsel asked the court to fix a date for the commencement of the trial. Upon the request for a trial date, the defense counsel, Remark, in a letter dated December 9, 2024, said the ruling of the judge rescuing herself remained valid. Subsequently, Remark asked that the case be transferred to a federal high court in the southeast if no judge in Abuja is willing to proceed over it. His prayer, however, did not see the light of the day. At the resumed hearing on Monday, February 10, 2025, Justice Yako said the chief judge had not accepted her recusal and had referred the case back to her. She asked the defense team, led by Remark, to come up with a written application if they still insist on the recusal. Earlier, the prosecution counsel, led by Igbo'S Awomolo, said they were ready for the commencement of trial as his witnesses were ready. Addressing the court, Kanu questioned why he was brought before Justice Yako. He said all that the judge said was meaningless to him. He said he does not recognize the authority of the court presided by Justice Yako over him. The IPOB leader said he was only in court because of the respect he has for the rule of law, adding that the judge had previously recused herself from the case. Kanu said he was not happy with the decision of the chief judge, who returned the case to Justice Yako, insisting that the prosecution cannot prosecute him. The IPOB leader insisted that Justice Yako is biased over his case and should not preside over his case. He said poor knowledge of the court is affecting Nigeria. The prosecution counsel took an objection to Kanu's remarks and asked for a definite date for hearing since the prosecution has refused to file a written application. Awomolo said it was not right for Kanu to insult the court. Despite Kanu's objection, Justice Yako adjourned his case indefinitely.